How to create template on ClickUp. Hello guys and welcome back. We're back with another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a template on ClickUp. So let's get started. First of all, open your ClickUp homepage, and over here at the left side, you'll be able to see these 4 boxes. So just click on that. Next, you need to select the space. You can either create a new space or select any existing space. And on the right side, you'll be able to see this plus. So just click on that and then click on list. Now here you need to write down the list name. You can give it any name you want. For example, if I write it my list, and then you can either make it private so that only you or the invited members can have access. You can either click on use template in order to import any template. But if you wish to create a template, so just click on create, and once you click on create, you'll be able to see that here my list has been added. That's your template. So over here you can customize the template according to your will. You can click on board and select the boards which you want. So this is totally dependent on you, that in which way you wish to customize your template. And you can either click on view and add list or Gantt or calendar, do it any way you want. And once you have customized your template according to your own will, you'll be able to see these 3 dots at the top with my list. So here you need to find the option templates. So just click on templates. Once you click on templates, over here you'll have to select save as template. So just click on save as template. Now after that, here you need to write down the template name. I've written my template. And after that, you can specify that with who you wish to share your template. You can either import everything, which means that everything within the template would be imported, or instead of that, you can either customize import items, which means that you can remove the unnecessary items which you don't need. Once done, you can just click on save template. Now over here you'll be able to see this notification that your template is being created, means it is under the process of creation. Now in order to check your template, you can click on this, and over here you can just click on this plus icon over here, and now just click on list, and here instead of creating template, click on use templates. And now over here you can see that the template which you just created has been displayed over here, and now you can use this template whenever you want instead of creating the template again and again. So that was how you can create a template on ClickUp. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.